Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can test your flows inside Klaviyo, so let's jump right into it. First, log into your Klaviyo account using the email and password linked to the workspace where your flows are set up. Once you're inside, head over to the Flows section from the left-hand menu and open the specific flow you want to test. Before turning it on, go through all the flow steps and check the email content and settings to make sure everything looks good. Next, click on the Review and Turn On button. This will bring up the flow status panel. Switch it from draft to live when you're ready for it to start working based on your triggers. Now, click Save so your changes are locked in. For testing, send a test email to yourself or use a test profile in Klaviyo. This helps you spot any issues in formatting, links, or flow logic before real contacts receive it. Once the test is complete, start tracking key metrics like open rate, clicks, and conversions. This data will help you refine the flow for better performance.